Hey guys, today it's me, Lacey and Priya, and we're going to do a toy heavy.
What'd you get?
Singing birds. I got purple and she got pink.
Let's see what they do. What are you playing?
So I got a wee birdie.
Okay, what
What did I do? So I guess it's
they're playing. Turn them around, Priya.
hello.
Move the peppers out of the way, Mum. Let's see them.
Mine must have turned off.
Turn it on, do we see?
Mine will turn off.
And how many different kinds can we collect? We might start collecting these, mightn't we? There's all different colours.
We get yellow, pink, purple, blue, green, and orange.
I think you might be actually able to learn them stuff. What do you think of them? Are they good, Priya?
Yeah.
You like them? They sing, yeah.
Yeah.
To do all different stuff. You think you can learn them?
Yeah.
You have to train them with the other birds.
A copy store.
Yep, the copy each other.
Just a wee nest for them.
What about this now, Priya? You gonna do this? What else did you get?
Nom,
You're trying to talk to each other, you guys? Just need help, Priya. Just got a blind bag in the mine. Priya really likes the bird to see. Priya, move your hair out of your face.
Oh, this is nice.
What'd you get? Let's see. Cool.
Oh, there's something inside of it. Let's step. You don't know what's in it. Oh, so cute. It's lipstick.
Priya must have had one of four, had she?
You get
Last night, Priya got one.
you get nail polish or anything in it? I don't know.
She couldn't wait.
This is annoying me.
Let's see, Lucy.
Oh. And
I think you hear Patrick coming, guys.
yeah. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Yeah. See what I got?
What have you had to say before we go?
Bye. Good night.
Oh, Priya wants. What have you to say, Priya? You
I forget. What is it? Like, subscribe. No!
said them, Priya.
I like and subscribe to our channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Priya, you waving bye?
Bye.
I see Patrick, guys.